Samsung fans, buckle up because the tech world is on fire. While everyone's hyped about One UI 7.0 beta, there's another bombshell stealing the spotlight, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And guess what? We've got some juicy leaks, including a color option so stunning it'll make you rethink your phone goals. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. One UI 7.0 beta has been the talk of the town lately, giving us a sneak peek into Samsung's next-gen software. But just when you thought things couldn't get better, here comes the Galaxy S25 Ultra, grabbing headlines with some seriously exciting leaks. Samsung's next big flagship isn't just a phone, it's a statement. Here's the scoop from the OG of leaks, Ice Universe. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is confirmed, yes, confirmed to come in a breathtaking new color, Titanium Whitesilver. Imagine this, a pure white back paired with a sleek silvery frame. Sounds fancy? Oh, it's more than fancy. It's turn heads on the street kind of fancy. Ice Universe calls it 100% accurate news, and we can't wait to see it. But hold on, that's not all. The white silver is just one of the 4 standard colors for the S25 Ultra. The others, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium gray, classic and classy. And for those of you who love exclusive stuff, Samsung's online store will be your paradise. Think titanium pink, gold, jade green, and even a stunning blue/black combo. Color game? Absolutely unmatched. Now let's talk dates. Mark your calendars for January 22, 2025. That's when Samsung is rumored to officially unveil the Galaxy S25 series. And let's be honest, if these leaks are this exciting, the actual launch is going to be next level. So what's your take? Loving the titanium white silver vibe? Or does another shade have your heart? And oh, don't sleep on the One UI 7.0 beta. It's setting the stage for Samsung's bold 2025 plans. Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more spicy tech updates. Now let's talk about some previous Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks. If you are a regular viewer, you can skip this video here, and if you are new here, watch this video till the end. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, this display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM/256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM/512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM/1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera, 200 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra wide, 50 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto, 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. Colors, Titanium lovers rejoice. Choose from titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. Mark your calendars. Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, setting the stage for the next generation of innovation. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available in 2 RAM configurations and 3 storage options. In the US, the starting price is rumored to be $1,299 for the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage variant, with the 1 TB model going up to $1,659. Are you ready to experience Samsung's next leap in smartphone technology? Here are 7 compelling reasons to go for the Galaxy S24 Ultra instead. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is more than capable. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a highly efficient and powerful chipset. It delivers impressive battery life and excels at performance-heavy tasks like gaming. Although the S25 Ultra may debut with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the performance difference in everyday use is expected to be minimal. Premium titanium frame already present. Rumors suggest the S25 Ultra will feature a titanium frame, but the S24 Ultra already boasts this premium build material. There's little difference in durability or quality between the two, so upgrading for the titanium frame alone might not be worth it. Sharp, edgy design appeals to many. The S25 Ultra might come with slightly rounded corners for added comfort, but leaked designs indicate that the S24 Ultra's sharp, sleek corners remain a favorite for many users. The S25 Ultra's updated design could split opinions, making the S24 Ultra's aesthetic more appealing to some. AI features will likely come to the S24 Ultra too. Samsung's Galaxy AI, a robust suite of AI tools, already shines on the S24 Ultra. Based on Samsung's track record of extending new features to older devices, it's likely that many AI enhancements introduced with the S25 Ultra will also be made available on the S24 Ultra through updates like One UI 7. Hardware that still stands out. The S24 Ultra boasts exceptional hardware, including an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The S25 Ultra isn't expected to offer groundbreaking advancements in these areas, so the S24 Ultra remains a formidable option. Incremental camera updates expected. The S24 Ultra's camera setup includes a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, a 3x telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide camera. The S25 Ultra is rumored to bring only minor updates, such as improvements to the ultra-wide lens. Considering Samsung's trend of incremental camera enhancements, the differences may not justify the wait. By opting for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you get flagship performance, premium build quality, and advanced features without the higher price tag or extended wait for the S25 Ultra. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.